Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial where I'm gonna show you how you can use your Envato Elements license on YouTube. We have all been there. You just spent 15 hours editing your latest YouTube video. You found the perfect background track on Envato Elements. Now you upload the video and boom, you're basically hit with this content ID copyright claim and all of your monetization is gonna be blocked now. Okay? Your first instinct is probably to delete the video and change the music, but stop, okay? Do not delete your video. And this is actually quite normal and you're not doing anything illegal, okay? Because Envato Elements provides 100% royalty-free commercial safe music. But here's the secret. YouTube's automated robot doesn't know you pay for an Envato subscription. You have to prove it to them, okay? So I'm gonna show you how you can do this exactly. First of all, guys, I want to mention that Envato Elements uses a project-based licensing system. Okay, I'm gonna show you what this means exactly. So guys, for this, we're just gonna go to music, for example, and I'm gonna show you what I mean, okay? This is where 90% of the creators make their first mistake. When you basically find a track you want to use, do not just click on the download button that you can see here and just walk away. To be legally protected, you must register the asset to a specific project, okay? So what are we gonna do? Let's say that I'm just gonna click on this one here, this particular soundtrack. As you can see, we have a couple of license details. One of them is this claim clear ready. Okay, this means basically that, the YouTube content ID claims can be cleared right away with this content ID that you can just copy and paste basically, okay? So what are you gonna do, guys? You're just gonna click on this information button in here or just view claim clear. And now this window is gonna open. I'm gonna show you right now. So okay, so this is gonna open and this is perfect, okay, this claim clear system, because this is like an automated system that is gonna help you simplify the process of the uploaded videos that are gonna have maybe like the copyright issues, okay? Now, like I mentioned before, not all of these tracks are gonna have this option. I'm gonna show you later on a case where a track does not have this claim clear option. But if it happens, as you can see, what we have to do is just open this claim clear window in here. And now we just basically have to paste in our YouTube channel in which we're gonna use this track, okay? So for example, I can just paste in my YouTube channel, the one in which I'm loading this. And that's gonna automatically clear the content ID claims, uploaded to this particular channel, okay? If they are provided by, something from Envato, okay? So this is the first thing that I recommend you do. Just put in your channel in here so it automatically clears the copyright claims, okay? The thing is that you can only do this with 3 channels at most, so I recommend you just put your main channel and maybe some others, okay? And not only that, but you can do this with monthly videos as well, okay, with individual videos. But you have a quota of 30 videos, okay? So like it says here, just wait for content ID claim to appear on your video, what I showed you before from YouTube, and then you can just paste it in here to clear it out. Okay, video must be public or unlisted, meaning that it cannot be private. Just put the video URL here. Okay, perfect. So this is gonna work just fine with this kind of like claim clear ready tracks, okay? So yeah, but let's say for example that the track you're trying to use, let's scroll down, let's maybe try clicking this one. Okay, this is claim clear ready as well, so not this one. Okay, let's look for another one and I'm gonna show you. Okay, so let's say that I select this one here. As you can see, this one doesn't have the not claim clear ready. So it's not claim clear ready actually. Okay, so meaning that you're gonna have to clear the license via the YouTube channel with your Envato license, okay? So what are you gonna have to do? You're just gonna have to download it as usual. Same with the other one, okay? You have to download everything. Okay, so just download it, use it in your project. But in this case, you're not gonna have the automatic option which I showed you before. So what I want you to do is I just want to actually click on this button which says licenses in here. Okay, and every time you download one file, a license is going to be created for this kind of file. Okay, so I'm just going to click on download and you're going to see what happens. It says this item was licensed automatically. You can also manage this, but I recommend you leave it on. And as you can see, this license was created for me. So I'm just gonna click on it, and a text file or a PDF is gonna be downloaded to my computer. Now this PDF is gonna look like this, and in the top you're gonna have like an item license code, okay, which I'm not gonna show you obviously for privacy reasons, okay. This is just like a string of numbers and letters that are gonna prove you legally obtained the track. So I just want you to copy that item license name, okay, just copy it, okay, it's in the PDF. Now, with that code copied, I just want you to go to your YouTube studio, and I want to go to content, okay? So as you can see, the content tab, just click on it, content. And next to your video, you're gonna see the word copyright claim or just copyright, and you're just gonna click on it and click on see details. This is essential, guys. Just click on see details, all right? And then finally, you're just gonna click on dispute, okay? And you're gonna click on licenses here, okay? Because you have permission or a license to use the content claim in your video. And now that's pretty much it. YouTube is gonna try to scare you because of this, but it's no problem because you have the code actually, okay? So it's gonna ask you to paste in the code maybe. So you just paste it and that's it. Now you're gonna have a reason to use that content because you have it copyrighted. You are the owner of that license, okay? So that's pretty much it, guys, okay? Just make sure that you follow this step exactly like I told you. Now, fortunately for you, Envato is moving a lot of their tracks and music or everything to actually, claim ready content, so you don't have to do this licensing step. But in case you have to do it, I showed you exactly how you can do it by using the code, which is amazing. And by the way, guys, what happens next? The copyright owner has 30 days to review your license, but in my experience, these are easily released by the system within 24 to 48 hours at the most, okay? So I'm gonna give you a pro tip for 2026. Never publish your YouTube videos immediately, okay? Always upload them as unlisted first. So let the video sit for a couple of hours, and if a copyright claims pops up, you can just use this exact Envato method to dispute it and clear it before you make the video public. That way, you never lose a single cent of ad revenue. Okay, guys, so this is what I recommend you do every single time. Always publish it as unlisted, okay? That's pretty much it, and thank you so much, guys.